Chiquinha, chiquinha.
Go check out the room.
Chiquinha.
Okay, I'm the content creator for this channel. If you like what I'm doing, just subscribe and then also hit the that little bell. That means you're gonna get notified of other videos that I do. Okay, so I've been wanting to film this building. This is kind of cool looking building. So this is basically the context of it. So it's actually in a pretty interesting location. I'm also just gonna show it this way too, so you can get a feel for the area. I'm gonna zoom in. So there's basically shops and there's school. Actually the school's right there, so you can see the kids walking to school. And I'll try to slowly do it so it's not too fast. But this particular building, which I like that street light stuff too, on the left. This particular building, like look at those windows, that looks just really cool. But it's always been empty and abandoned. There's all three. Then up there, I don't know what this is right here. Let's see. I don't know what that is. It always looks like some kind of telescope kind of thing. And sometimes I see people hanging out right up here too. Right up in front. And you see there's like kind of a fence and a place to keep the shade. Pretty cool building. So I think these ones are all apartments. And I don't know what those black things are. Oh, I see. I guess those are three-dimensional boxes, so I can tell those are. But now I can see that you could actually walk out on them. I think. Yeah, you can. It's actually a base on them. And then here, like I don't know what that used to be, but whatever it is, it's not in use and it hasn't been in use the whole time I've been here, and it really should be. But I've always found that building kind of interesting. So we're gonna walk a little bit and try to get it from a different angle. But anyways, this is like another one of those things that's in Macau. Yeah, there's like nothing in there.
Chiquinha, chiquinha.